cut foot traffic to our hospital by empowering our frontline healthcare and reviving those who were close to you. Tatlong taon lang ako nawala. Ang daming health center na nasara. How can we do that? How can we do such thing as the population grows and health challenges or economic and health challenges are existing and continue to grow. Numbers don't lie. We as government should continue to empower our frontline healthcare facility so that magkaroon ng ease in terms of foot traffic and demand to our hospitals. And rest assured to our doctors and nurses, medical and non-medical personnel of Hospital ng Maynila and other hospitals, we will continue to strengthen, widen, reach as many as we can to deliver good quality healthcare. On your side, you'll soon, the city and the country, for that matter, will now enjoy the more production of medical professionals. Our dreams and aspirations of the city of Manila as part of the nation-building approach is to produce more doctors, dentists, nurses, medtech, and so on and so on. If we are now producing about at least 300 under Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila, we soon in this corner you will have an institution that can produce 5,000 on maximum. So that is good for the city, good for the country, especially for the people of Manila. To reinforce our medical professionals in community healthcare. And we are on track in acquiring medical professionals in our 7th hospital, in Baseco Hospital. We are halfway there. So imagine mo, in just 8 months, it was just sitting duck, or what you call white elephant. But upon assumption, makita ninyo, andyan dyan na, functioning and it's going to be full-blown, first level hospital, hopefully crossing there at the end of the year. And soon, as of, again, continued commitment to our people and to our doctors and nurses and non-medical practitioners, there will be a new Boston in the city of Manila. Just for the record and your information, while wala tayong kapera-pera, namili pa ako ng lupa. We bought property 1,600 square meter. We are now in possession of the property. Thanks to the national government. Nabumbay ko sila. DOH with regard to acquiring PTC, permit to construct. So that 500 square meter of 32-year-old Hospital ng Tondo will now be housed at the main road of the city, located in District 2, 1,600, that's 7-story air-conditioned public hospital for district. So, today, itong maliit na corner nito na madalas kong pasyalan sa Peligro de Ora ng mga oras. Naawa naman ako sa mga doktor at pasyente natin. Puro amag ang hinihinga ninyo. But rest assured, this is not just today or today. We will continue. Kahit na gipit na gipit tayo, magkakasyahin natin yan. Yun nga nare-regular na natin. Yung share ng mga ating healthcare. Ano na ngayon? Kaya lang, gusto na magpatistino sa ospital. Eh. But rest assured, what is due to you, you need not ask for it. It will be given to you. And equally. Kaya, of all these things that I have said, pwede ba ako makikisuyo sa inyo? Ito, lagi ko pinakikisuyo. Isa lang naman, wala akong ihilingin. Pwede ba mag-smile kayo lagi sa mga pasyente ninyo?
Yes. Makasmile naman.
Maniwala kayo sa akin. I grew up. Alam mo, hindi nga sapat yung description na Islam. Pero may salitang sinasabi yung mga malata. Ako'y pinanganak na mahirap sa dilang mahirap. Kumbaga, kung tatlo level ng hierarchy, yung pangatlo sa baba, nandun pa ako sa ilalim. Pag kami nagkakasakit, kaya takbuhan namin, no, si Reyes, San Lazaro, biyari yung Wepax ko dyan sa San Lazaro. Dahil yung hiring-bilya nung araw, ano pa eh, yung stainless. Daman-damang yun. Yung mga gaselo. And based on my experience, alam niyo, pag nangingitian kami ng magandang nurse, magaling na kami. Pag yung doktora, maliwalas ang pakikito. Feeling ko gamot na yung ipin ng doktora. Kasi pag nakita mo nakangiti, parang gayak na gayak. At tuwang-tuwang ginagamot ka. Eh, madalas ng araw, ang nakukuha lang namin, Togmolodon, Tisperin, Yakapsul. Yun lang naman ang nakukuha namin. But I'm telling you, ako as a patient, as a patient, I'm speaking like a patient na generally, yung naranasan ko ay still existing ngayon. Pag nangiti kayo, tawi ng lahat ng bigati at sakit. Eh, hindi nyo napapasin. Dalawang anak ko, pwede ko naman ipadala sa St. Luke's. O saan ko pinadala? Sa ospital ng Maynila. I can afford to send them to private hospital. But even my wife, my ex-girlfriend, dali mo doon sa ospital natin. They're being taken care of doctors and nurses of this facility. Why? Because that is the message to the middle class. Which is, sila yung unang tinatamaan economically pag nagkakasakit. Kasi ang middle class, may konting pinarihan. May naisubihan ng konti pang emergency. But the problem with that kind of emergency, with the economic, sa perspektibo, economically, is nauubos, dala na hindi nila tayo mapagkatiwalaan bilang public hospital. But look at PGH, but look at the heart center. Now look at hospital ng Maynila and other hospitals. Yeah, that is the message that I'm trying to send to any John Doe's and Mary. Healthcare. That's what I believe. Am I correct in my assumption? It's up to you to prove. But that's what I believe. So pwede, posible. So wala nang toskas. Saan kayo nakakita? Ito ayoko naman itangos ng ilong ninyo. Pero bagay lamang na makapaglalakad tayo lahat ng iskinita, kalsada, anumang oras ng araw. Masasabi natin, every mo sila sa iba, pag tinubo yung ugat ng puso nila, nomad ka. 80,000, 50,000, yan. Sa Maynila, hospital ng Maynila, alaws. It's very expensive. Let's be honest to ourselves. Ang masakit pa rito, pag tusok, barado. Darating na yung mga cardio interventionist o madalit sila malabanan. Lalagyan na ng tubo. Bubuka. They call it stent. And that's a very expensive little metal. But the city is shouldering it. Ito baka may maligaw. Hindi, nag-charge nyo naman yan sa PhilHealth. That's not true. You know why? Once elective, wala. Hindi mo ma-charge. Kaya sabi ko, pinaliliwanag ko sa PhilHealth, baka baguhin ninyo yung policy ninyo. Kaya ako nagpapaganito kasi bago pa atakihin, magamot na. Kasi sa kanila, atakihin ka muna bago ka makakuha. Para mabago nila based on our experience. How much is angioplasty? Easily, 500,000. Yung mga binabayaran mo sa heart center, 975. 1 million, 1.2. This week or tomorrow, new sets of patients going to, the city is going to pay 1 million, 2 million pesos. In this facility, because of you guys, TY, walang toss gas. Kaya pag nakikita ng mga pasyente rito, ginawa, pinainom, ginamit, total father, 300,000, grand total, 0. Why? Courtesy of the taxpayer, the city of